Yo, what is up? What is up, man? Check it out. I'm actually pretty excited about this here custom. I picked this figure up out of the 2-pack. It was like $50, but hey, the arms on this figure inspired me to do this like Colossus. Like when I was looking at it in the store, I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta do this custom. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be boiling it down to break down the figure. And I also have an alternate head. Like here you go, right here I have this Wolverine from the 97 line, from the X-Men 97. So I'll be using this. I have this as my alternate head. So basically I don't know what Wolverine I'm using, like Weapon X gray and black Wolverine head from another Marvel Legends line as the primary head, and the head that I showed you guys from 97 will be the alternate. The finished product was cool. Like you'll see in the end of the video, it looks good, but what I should have done differently is primed the arms first. So if you're thinking about maybe doing a similar custom or something like that, prime the arms first before using this in particular paint. If you're using testers like spray can or whatever, just to give it more of a pop, because I've done this on another figure before, and even though it is the same exact paint, it doesn't look the same. The only difference is that I didn't prime the figure beforehand. So you know, even though it's gray, I don't know, it just didn't, it wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be, but ultimately it still looked pretty solid. The liquid ink, whatever, the pen I'm using right here, it's unnecessary, but I felt like maybe it would be easier. And I was actually projecting the paint on the figure to be a little bit brighter, so I thought it would, like, you know, it doesn't you can't really tell with the finished product, but I mean it was unnecessary. I could have just tapered off the brown or whatever and sprayed this part of the figure as well. Ultimately this was like a really quick, easy custom. I'm just making like a whole line of Colossus figures. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about. You see all the paint smudges and stuff like that. I went back and I just like acetone that stuff off. Let me know what you guys think about this figure and this little like idea that I had with this figure. And the photos, I took a lot of photos. I grabbed a couple of the Colossus figures and customs that I've already done in the past, put them all together, took a couple photos. So hopefully you guys, you know, enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think about those photos, and any ideas on like what I should customize next, or you know what I'm saying, anything, feedback, whatever you guys, you know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, man. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. I'm out.